Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set Apple Watch to vibrate only Series 9. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 9 and you want your Apple Watch to vibrate only, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing is go ahead and unlock your Apple Watch. Press the digital crown to exit the watch face. And then go ahead and click on settings on the app menu. Once you selected settings, you need to scroll down until you get to sounds and haptics. Now on the sounds and haptics page, to make your Apple Watch Series 9 or Series 10 vibrate only, all you need to do is select the volume control and then reduce it using the digital crown to 0 so that this will stop the Apple Watch from ringing. And again, to make the Apple Watch vibrate, scroll down and locate haptics and then click on it. Now on haptics, select prominent or default and then hit the bar button, and this is going to make your Apple Watch vibrate only, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to set Apple Watch to vibrate only Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.